Hi guys, it's Mike at Bigfoot Trailers. Going to do a really quick video on our new dump trailer. When we set out to design a dump trailer, we weren't going for being cheaper than everybody else like most companies are. We actually designed this trailer so that it would be the absolute Mac Daddy heavy duty trailer. It's basically a rental quality dump trailer. I looked for another trailer that had 3/16 steel in the floor and the walls. I found some that have 3/16 in the floors. Some have 11 gauge or 1/8 inch in the walls, 3/16 in the floor. Some have 1/8 inch in the floor and the wall. Our trailer is the only one that I know of that has 3/16 in the floor and the walls. It also does not have a rolled sides, which is extremely wimpy. When you take and bend the sides, it makes the sides stronger than if they were straight, but it's nowhere near as strong as having an actual tubing top rail on the trailer. This is a solid tubing top rail all the way around. That way, if you hit it with a loader bucket, it's not going to bend as easily as everybody else's dump trailers. Has Dexter axles with forward self-adjusting brakes as always. The 7K version, 7K axles, has 14 ply upgrade tires on it, and the 8K axle version, the 17K trailer, has the 16 ply upgraded tires on it. You have the telescopic hydraulic system, which is the absolute best new type system for being able to lift the most weight. The scissor lifts and the double cylinder type, where they put the cylinder under the trailer, we built those in the past. They're often underpowered and not able to lift the complete load when somebody overloads a trailer. This telescopic lift will lift no matter how much weight you put in there, it's going to lift it. It also allows for us to create a little bit higher, steeper angle for the dump, so you have a better chance of your material dumping out. You have stabilizer jacks on the side. Those are for when you're loading skid steer or something on the trailer. You'll be able to put the stabilizer jacks down. Has skid steer ramps in the back of the trailer stowed underneath. The gate is also made of tubing and 3/16 steel. It's a double acting gate. You can open it to dump and move along, dumping a little bit at a time, or you can open up the doors and dump it all at once. Like on all our trailers, we fabricate our own fenders, so they're made out of 1/8 inch plate steel, not stamped 14 gauge like pretty much everybody else. The weld quality on this trailer is absolutely second to none. You're not going to find the trailer with the welds that are on a Bigfoot trailer. You've got the ability to add in a 2x8 up here and extend your walls taller. That's standard. The tarp is standard. Side charger standard. You can order it with a solar upgrade. Like on all our trailers, you have a self-regulating charge system to charge the battery for the emergency brakes. Demco adjustable coupler with the easy latch system. Heavy duty Bulldog 12,000 pound jack. Everything on this trailer is absolutely the primo way of doing it. That's what you expect when you buy a Bigfoot.